Measuring the basal area of your forest will help you understand your tree density, what type of silvicultural treatments would best suit your forest, and help you comply with the Private Native Forestry Code. To measure your basal area, you'll need to do a basal area sweep. You'll need a dendrometer and a notebook to help record your tally, and spots where you can turn in a full 360-degree circle and view at least 10 trees per sweep. Basal area sweeps only include live trees bigger than 10 cm diameter at breast height over bark. You'll need to do a number of sweeps to get an accurate measurement, so choose areas that don't overlap, include a range of topography, and avoid areas that are in exclusion zones, near canopy openings, roads, tracks, or log dumps. Hold the dendrometer cord tight and view trees at a right angle at 1.3 metres above the ground. As you turn, keep your eye over the centre point and tally the trees. If a tree is wider than the dendrometer sight, that is a given count of 1. If a tree is equally wide as the dendrometer sight, then it is a given count of a half. Trees that are narrower than the sight are not counted. If you need to assess a tree that is partially out of view, move to the side until the tree is in view and then move back to the original sampling spot. After each sweep, multiply the tally by the basal area factor number. Most dendrometers have a BAF of 1, 2 or 4. To check, find the BAF number here. This will give you the stand basal area, which is measured in metres squared per hectare. Once you've done all your sweeps, calculate the average stand basal area by adding all the stand basal area measurements and dividing the result by the number of measurements taken. To comply with the Private Native Forestry Code, your average basal stand area measurement will need to meet the minimum requirements. For more information, contact local land services. We're here to help.